Question number 3. The following data gives the distribution of the total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Expenditure. That is class interval 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. And number of families. Number of families. That is frequency. 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16 and 7. Highest number in frequency is 40, that is F1, and that is F0, F2. And in class interval, this is L1. L1 mod is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L1 is 1500, F1 is 40, and F0 is 24, F2 is equal to 33, and H is 1500 minus 1000, that is equal to 500. Putting all these values in this formula, mod is equal to L1 is 1500 plus F1 is 40 minus 24 upon 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 20 minus 33 into 500 is equal to 1500 plus 40 minus 24 is equal to 16, multiply by 500 divided by 80 minus 57 is equal to 1500 plus 16 5 are 80, 8000 divided by 23. 23 multiply by 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6. 10 minus 9 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 0. 23 multiplied by 4. 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8, 9. 92. That is 8, 18. 180. 23 multiplied by 7, 7 3 are 21. 2 carry 7 2 are 8, 7 2 are 14, 16. 161. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 1 0. 23 multiplied by 8. 8 3 are 24. 2 carry 8 2 are 16, 18. 184. 10 minus 4 equal to 6, and 1 0. 1 0. 23 multiplied by 3. 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6. 3 2 are 6, 2 2 are 4. 2 46. 4 1 0. 23 multiplied by 5. 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10, 11. 23 multiplied by 6. 6 3 are 18, 6 2 are 12, 13. 138. 23, that is 347.8283 approximately. 1500 plus 347.83. This implies mode is equal to 1847.8283 approx answer. Given expenditure class interval is 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000. Frequencies 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16 and 7. In frequency, greatest number, highest number is equal to 40. So this is F1, and F0 is 24, F2 is 33. And in class interval, L1 is equal to 1500. L1 is 1500, and F1 is 40. F0 is 24, F2 is 33, and H, that is the difference between, common difference between class interval. 1500 minus 1000, that is equal to 500. So putting the value in this formula, mode equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. We get 1500 plus 40 minus 24 divided by 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 multiply by 500. 40 minus 24 equal to 16. 16 5s are 80 and 2 zeros, that is 8000, and 42s are 80. 24 plus 33 is equal to 57, and 80 minus 57 is equal to 23. We divide 8000 by 23 and approximately answer will be 347.826 or 347 plus 83. 1500 plus 300, that is 1847.83. So mod is equal to 1847.83. Answer. Question number 4. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-students ratio in the higher secondary school of India. Find the mode. Number of teacher. Number of teachers, that is class interval, and number of states. UT. 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. And number of states 3, 8, 9, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. Class interval and frequency. And in this frequency, greatest number is 10, that is F1, and this number is F0, and this number is F2. So L1 is equal to 30. Mod is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 into F2 multiply by H. But L1 is equal to 30. F1 is equal to 10. F0 is equal to 9. F2 is equal to 3, and H is equal to 20 minus 15, that is 5. We get all values and putting the value of L, L1, F1, F0, F2 and H in this formula. Mod is equal to L1 is 30 plus F1 is 10 minus F0 is 9 divided by 2 into F1 is 10 minus F0 is 9 minus 2 is 3 and multiply by h is 5. So mod is equal to 30 plus 10 minus 9 is 1 divided by 20 minus 9 plus 3 is 12 into 5. So 30 plus 5 divided by 12 minus 8 is equal to 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 is equal to 8 and 5 divided by 8.0. 6 are 48. 2 0 8 2s are 16. 4 0 5s are 40. Complete. That is 0.625. This implies mod is equal to 30.625. Answer. Number of teacher class interval is 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50 and 50 to 55. And frequency is 3, 8, 9, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. In this frequency, highest number is 10 and this number is called F1 and F0 is upper. F0 is upper number and F2 is lower number, that is 3, and L1 is 30. So we get L1, F1, F0, F2, H. H is common difference between class interval. 15 to 20 means 20 minus 15, that is called H. And putting all these values in this formula, L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2, F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, we get 30 plus 10 minus 9 is 1, 2 into 10, 20, 9 plus 3 is 12, 20 minus 12 is equal to 8, 5 ones are 5, 5 divides 8, that is 0.625, and 30 plus 0.625, we get 30.625 or approx 30.6. Answer. Thank you so much.